Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here today. Name here is Rick, also known as KJ7AZT. This is pretty much an intro video to Reyes Rock Shop, and it's pretty much going to be a channel about the hobbies that I like to engage in, and I'm going to try to relate it in some practical sense into the business, how it relates to the rock shop and so on. It's going to be a mix of a lot of things, so it's not going to be all directly related to that. So I hope you can forgive the occasional off-topic video, but I'm going to try to relate as much of it as I can. Right now, currently, this is my biggest involvement, which is amateur radio, and the reason behind this, I've been into this now for a few months, and I've gotten involved with the local club down in Sierra Vista, which also is they're also involved in Reyes and the Reyes organization. So yeah, it's emergency communication services, and we deploy most times with search and rescue here for the county, but we can be deployed in various ways and for various reasons. And obviously, amateur radio plays a huge part of that. We're a volunteer communications service for the county, and that's really what I'm concentrating on quite a bit. Most of the hobbies that I do, I'm at a beginner novice level. I do too many things really to become expert or proficient in any one thing. So with the exception of this I have to really know what I'm doing, because potentially lives could be at risk if I don't know my hardware, I don't know my protocols and procedures. Lives could be at danger. The welfare of people could be at risk. So, yeah, you really want to, once you're involved with these organizations, you got to pay attention to what you're doing and learn the stuff. So, but the way I want to use this as well, the radio, this has GPS on it, and my goal is to kind of re-explore places that I went as a child with my parents, rock hounding and so on. I don't really remember if there's any really good stuff out there when we went, but I want to re-explore those areas. And if there's good stuff out there and it's relatively safe to get to, offer that information to my customers, because I'm always getting customers interested in rock hounding areas. And this is a great tool for that. Like I said, it does have GPS in it, and so I can track my routes and so on, and apply those locations onto a Google map and so on. But I'll be taking out a motorcycle for that, and depending on how safe it is, if it's not safe going out or if it's not legal, that information's not going to be coming out. But if it feels reasonably safe, and there's good stuff out there, then I'll pass along the information. But the other things that I kind of dabble into is a little bit of electronic stuff, mostly Arduino based. I have some projects for the shop that I want to use some Arduinos to kind of answer some problems, or to resolve some problems that I have there. One of which is the front door chime, and then another one, I have a lapidary saw that I'm going to be rebuilding hopefully soon. I'll be converting that to power feed from gravity feed, and I'll be probably using an Arduino for that. So that's pretty much what I'm into. I'm also into machining. I have a fairly good sized lathe, small little benchtop milling machine, which will all play into the lapidary saw, and maybe to other projects for the shop. But a lot of those projects, or a lot of those areas, hobby areas, I'll be doing other videos. Like I said, maybe not directly related to the shop, but I'm just gonna pretty much chronicle everything under this channel. The practices that Google is starting to get involved with, and YouTube and whatnot, is very discouraging to really want to put too much over here on YouTube. So I've opened up an account over on Library and over on Minds.com, and I'm going to be posting the videos over there on those services as well, and eventually I'll be moving over there completely. For those of you who don't know, Library is a protocol that it's completely different from HTTPS. It's based on blockchain technology, and there's also an application that runs on top of that protocol, and which gives you access to the content on Library. So I'll be moving over there eventually, and if I can claim the title of Reyes Rock Shop over in Library, that's where you'll be able to find me on that service. On Minds, I do have Reyes Rock Shop, so you can find me there. That's minds.com, and Library is lbry.com. So that's pretty much it. That's probably long enough. I really don't want to make this too long, but I hope you'll join me on my journey here. Make it a learning experience both ways. I'm open to suggestions, comments, to learning new things and stuff and whatnot. And I hope you'll like, subscribe, share, comment down below. And those of you over on Library, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. And to those who know, 73 to you. This is Rick, also known as KJ7AZT. I guess I'll be signing off for now. Until next time.